Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. This is the Spigen thin fit case, and I actually ordered this myself. It was not sent out for review, and I waited a long time to get this case. I believe I ordered it a couple of weeks back, and it finally got here today, which I am super thankful for because I've really been waiting to get some type of protection on this device right here besides the screen protector that I currently have on it right now. Now, currently on Amazon, it is going for around $30 right now. So if by the end of this video you find yourself interested in this case right here, I'll have a link down in the description below for you. So like I said, this is the thin fit case from Spigen. As you can see, I already have it on the device itself here. And inside of the box comes these instructions here, basically telling you how to install this case on the device. Because on the front cover here, it comes in two-piece. It is a two-piece case. You got one that clips onto the back and then one that clips on to the front. But this front one actually has adhesive all around the edges, so it sticks on the front nice and well. Now, it actually feels really good in the hand. It doesn't really add any bulk to the device itself, which is why they call it the thin fit case, but it still has a pretty nice camera cutout right there. As you can see, a little bit of raisivity, so if you happen to put your device flat on its back like that, it should raise up the phone enough to where the camera is not going to touch any flat surface. And then of course right here where the buttons are, they are open, easy to access. As you can see, you're not going to have any problems accessing that power button or volume rockers. You're going to be able to access them nice and easily. And then down at the bottom, you have your cutouts for the speaker, microphone, and the charging port. And then right here at the back, like I said, this is a two-piece case, so it is not going to cover this hinge unless you open up the device just like that. And as you can see, there's a little crease right there, but for the most part, it is protected. And then going to the back, it's a nice matte finish here, which I actually really like. I think it pairs really nice with this bronze color that we have here on this device, but of course it will also look good with the black color device as well. But I think it looks really nice on this device. Now, as far as protection goes, it does feel like it's going to give your device some decent protection if you happen to drop it lightly on the ground. Again, I wouldn't go throwing your phone around with this case on, but at least it's going to give you some type of protection, especially from scratches. If you happen to just, be laying your phone down like this and you happen to slide it across the table, it'll protect it from any scratches. Now, one thing that I did notice about this top piece right here is that it's not all the way flush down, and I think that's kind of my fault because I'm using a Whitestone Dome screen protector at the moment, which is a little bit thicker than a regular screen protector, so it's kind of lifting up the top part right here. So I can't really blame Spigen for that, but as you can see, it is still working pretty good. It hasn't popped off since I have put it on. Like I said, there is adhesive on here. It comes off pretty easy. Let me go ahead and try to peel this off here. As you can see, it still comes off easily, just like that. You can pop it right back on just like that, but the adhesive does help it stay in place so it doesn't pop off if you're using it, opening and closing it just like this. As you can see, this top portion is not going to come off, but if I get a close-up here, as you can see, it is not all the way flush. There is a little bit of play there, but that's only because I do have that screen protector on. But for the most part, it is still working good with this screen protector. It is not going to come off. As you can see here, opening and closing it, this top portion of the case here is not going to come off. Maybe if I do happen to drop the phone by accident, it might pop off. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but again, it looks great. It feels great. I'm going to get some decent protection with this case right here. Again, this is the Spigen thin fit case. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. This also works with wireless charging. So if I bring my wireless charger over here, let's go ahead and set it on there. Let's wait for that to start up. And as you can see, wireless charging does work. And if you don't want to use wireless charging, you'd rather use wired charging. As you can see, you're not going to have any problems with that. Fits in there nice and easily. So you're not going to have any problems charging your device with wired charging. But yes, this is the Spigen thin fit case. Again, going for around $30 on Amazon. It's going to give your Galaxy Z Fold 2 some decent protection here. I actually really like it so far because it doesn't add any bulk to the device, because the device itself is already a little bit bulky when it's folded, so this case doesn't really add too much more bulk to the device itself. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Could you see yourself getting this case? Or if you have one already for yourself, how has it been treating you? Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you do find yourself interested in this case right here, again, the Spigen thin fit case for the Galaxy Galaxy Z Fold 2, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below. But thank you guys so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you guys again so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.